Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this style. So I start off with already prepped nails and then I go in with my base coat by Nao Nails. I'm then going to cure this and then I'm going to go in with my base colour, which is this lovely baby pink, also by Nao Nails. I would advise that you keep the coats quite thin because the gel is pretty thick and you don't want it to bubble up. Because I'm doing nail art, I only did one coat with the pink, and then I'm going to go in with the white, which is sort of like my base colour for the nail art, and I'm going to be using the dotting tool and a nail art brush to do my nail art on this one. So I just painted random designs. It was actually inspired by a picture on Google, and so I just painted random designs, something different on each nail to make it more abstract. I tend to use the actual brush from the gel bottle to fill in any paint, like so. If you make any mistakes, I advise just dipping the nail brush into some acetone or some nail wipe and just tidying it up before you cure it. Also, the great thing with nail abstract is that you don't have to be perfect, so if you make a mistake you can just draw over it. I then use the bottom of my, I forgot what this thing is called, but I used this anyway to mix a colour. This is before I had received my beautiful palettes. And I made like a more light purple colour that would blend with the baby pink. Then I'm just going to be drawing more random art on each nail. I would advise that you just cure each design in the lamp for about 10 seconds to make sure that it holds. I'm then using the black gel by Gel Bottle. And depending how you want the dots to appear, I like the different sizes. You can just press it a little bit harder or have more paint on the actual dotting tool. Now my lines weren't exactly perfect, but like I said, it's okay because it's abstract art. As you go along, you can just add more colours and where you think needs to be added more purple or blue or white or black, you could just add it. And then use this yellow by Candy Coat just to add another pop of colour. And then I'm going to be going in with my top coat by the Gel Bottle. This is the Extreme Shine top coat. Remember to cap the ends of your nails to make sure that the gel is sealed in for a longer lasting nail. And here is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to check me out on social media and like, comment, subscribe to my channel and share with all your friends and family. Thank you so much. God bless.